Hey, what's up guys? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, I'm gonna be telling you guys how summer went for me now that it's over. So let's get right into it, follow me along.
Hey Tony, it's looking nicer, huh? Not as hot.
Yeah, nice weather right now. It's not burning my skin. I'm not sweating. It is the morning though, it is 10:25, so hopefully it continues like this throughout the day. But yeah.
So Tony, how did it go for you this summer, man? Was it the same, busier, slower than previous years?
I think it was busier than when I first started my first 2 years, but I think it was a little bit slower than like 2020 and 2021. Maybe a little bit better than 2022, but it wasn't too bad. Hey, but I would like to know, how was your summer for 2023? Let me know in the comments down below.
All right, Tony, since you mentioned your first summer, what's something you wish you knew that first summer? For example, don't say no to work because it's gonna slow down during winter, or pace yourself.
When I first started, it was the summer of 2018, so I was trying to get any work I could, and I was like giving some ridiculous pricing. I would do like full inside and out details for like 50 bucks, just try to get in whatever I can get, like as much work as I can get. So I wouldn't do that again, because those clients never really stuck around.
So you're kind of wasting your time with those small clients with the cheap prices, because sooner or later you're gonna raise your prices.
Yeah.
And they're gonna dip.
Yeah, pretty much. It like, well, I didn't know when I first started, like winter times is usually the slowest times for like detailers. And so when winter time hit, there's barely any work, but I wasn't too worried about it just because I had school. So I was like not really too concerned. But now that there's no school and this is all I do to survive and live, you just got to prepare and save extra money just in case of anything. There's no, like, sometimes there's no work because of rain, the weather's messing it up. You might not be able to get interior details or any type of other details, just because sometimes people don't want to book and they're also saving for the holidays as well. So there's a couple different reasons why clients may not want to book, but that's just why you have to try to prepare yourself for the winter time and save up a little bit of money just on the side, just in case of anything, so you'll be able to survive or pay your minimum expenses that are always coming in every month.
Now, there's some people who want to start detailing business, but they want to wait till summer to start it because that's the busiest. Mm-hmm. Do you agree or disagree with that? I
disagree. I'd say if you really want to start as like soon as you can and try to build up your clientele before that summer even hits. Get whatever work you can, but at a reasonable price for like a reasonable amount that you can earn. I wouldn't say like just try to give it away for free. And that way you can build a portfolio and have things ready for summer, because if you haven't started your business and then you decide to start summer, people aren't gonna really know you, and all the other details are gonna be booming, so they're probably gonna be the ones taking most of the clients, and you're still gonna be struggling even during the summertime.
All right, Tony. Now I know detailers, they're really challenged in the summer. Mm-hmm. The heat, the amount of work. Do you feel someone could become a successful detailer if they can't stand the heat during summer? Is there a way around it?
The only way around it would be buying like canopies and buying type of like clothes to cover your skin. You just have to get through it, or having a shop and put an AC in there or a cooler, and that'd be pretty much the only way.
Yeah, I see a lot of detailers quit, bro.
Yeah.
After their first year.
It happens.
All right, Tony, last question. What's your plan for the winter, man? What you doing this winter? So
for the winter, I got a couple events to attend to. So I have my schedule a little bit booked up with those events. They're gonna take a couple days out of my winter. I'm thinking about taking some PPF classes. So I'll probably go take the XPEL course, learn some PPF, try to expand my services and my knowledge. I'm also gonna try to kind of edit the way I have things set up, like on my social media, kind of bring out some new things and try to focus on the content as well, because I haven't really been focusing too much on the content. Pretty much all of summer I didn't really post too much, so winter time's really, if you were posting a lot in summer, you should really be posting a lot even more in winter time, and you should be pushing out your content way more, because you're probably gonna have a lot more free time, so you can use your time to create more content that hopefully has people engaging and bringing you more clients in. Well, there you guys have it. That's how my summer of 2023 went. Let me know in the comments down below how your summer of 2023 went. And remember, if you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.